Morning.
The M time that I'm going to tell you what the product has done to me. Okay? I never believe in food supplement. But when I got hold of this one, there was a strange thing that happened to me. I had an hearing aid, and that hearing aid is about 100,000 to about 86,000. And I was having it here at the right side. Because medyo mahina na. Then, all of a sudden, pati ito, humihina na rin. I have one already, they want me to buy another one. Sobra naman yung kapal ko. So, I did not buy. And all of a sudden, this one was introduced to me. Okay? The cream, something like, bakit mo lang yan? Dito. Gano'n na. Okay? Well, I tried it. But, medyo mahina. Yung pag ano ko eh. Ano ko mukhang hindi obra. Then, after one time lang nailagyan ko dito, no? Diba? Teka muna, parang nakakarinig na mo na iba. So, about the second day, nagkuhan ako, nag-clean ako ng ear. Sabi ko, baka malagkit na rito. Meron na pala akong wax dito. Sabi ko, ba, hindi maganda ito. Ito na ang hinihintay ko. Pero, I still think na yung ang cream, mukhang magic ito. So, naglagay na ako uli. Aba, maganda na naririnig ko. When I went to church, ginaya ko ito. Dito lang. And I could hear clearly. Sabi ko, itong klase ito. And then I removed my hearing aid. Sabi ko, okay na ito. Several weeks ago, I removed that. And until now, I can hear. Wow. Normal na itong dalawa. I saved a lot of money. Imagine what I saved here and what I saved there. And the threat has always been there for another one. I cannot afford that, I said. Of course, I'm still waiting for the result. No? Magpapa-examine ulit ako. Kasi sabi ni Mr. Kyo, ni Dr. Kyo, kailangan pa-examine ulit para makita natin yung record. But I have no doubt that I have been healed properly.
How often,
and it's all because of
how often How often po ang apply?
Every day, naglalagay ko sa umaga, naglalagay
Once
ko
a
sa
day,
gabi.
twice a day?
Oh, manipis na manipis lang.
Twice a day, sir?
Oo, twice a day. Manipis lang. So dito yung ano, yan o, up to here.
Okay.
Sabi ko, ang ganda pala nito. So, okay, sabi ko, tama na yan, no? I'm convinced. But one time, my wife was really crying out loud. Nagkaroon siya ng ano, ano yun?
Arthritis?
Hindi, yung parang
cramp, muscle cramp. Muscle cramp.
Cramp siya. Nagkakandaiyak siya. Sabi ko, ano ba gagawin ko dito? Matarantara ako ngayon. So I have to apply yung kanya ginaganon ko, no? Sabi ko, kaya tanda huli siya, ayaw pa rin. Iyak siya talaga. Akin na nga ako, ito na naman yung wonder cream ko. Susubukan ko na naman ito. Ano ito? Pinahiran ko. Siguro tarantara ko, ang dami kong nilagyan naman. And then, after a few seconds, sabi niya, wala na. Okay na. Magkakad na siya. Sabi ko, second yan. Sabi ko, iba na talagang ginagawa nitong product na ito. And then, I have been applying that pero sa mga kaso-kasuhan ko, pag kami lumalabas, nawawala talaga. What is nice about the product is instantaneous. Pag-apply mo, merong effect. Hindi katulad na iba na hihintay ka pa na ilang araw. Ito hindi eh. Pag-apply mo, meron na. And so, because of that, sabi ko, teka muna, hindi ko lang gagamitin ito, magbebenta pa ako. So, magbebenta na ako. Okay? So, yung po may isaan ko sa inyo na ang nagagawa ng produkto, parang magic. Okay? And I think it was given by somebody upstairs. Salamat po.
The first day I made some yeah, he is at least 5 to 10 years younger. When I met him, he was okay. Now he was on top. Okay, this is why he is here every time to share. Okay, sharing becomes part of his hobby. Okay, now this product helps a lot because, of course, a good product. Okay, we are here. I always say, opportunity is coming. This is our opportunity. A good product. Okay? We have a good team here. Now, whether our marketing plan can be made say rich. But there's people like Mr. Mark. Last month income is already more than 100,000. That's a matter of 1 2 months. And then we are still in the team. I will slightly go through the plan. Okay? If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Okay? Please. Okay. Now, our company name for RF3 World. That's our HQ.